Yo, in this video, we're unboxing the Echo Sub. I'm super excited to be opening this. This is something I saw on Amazon and I just had to get right away. I actually got two of them. The other one's in that box right there. Haven't unopened yet. Haven't opened it yet. We got kind of a messy setup right now, but we're gonna have to one-hand it because I don't have anything to hold this phone yet, which is kind of unfortunate. But we're gonna be opening this up. I always love the Echo packaging. Amazon is just, it's a fantastic company. I absolutely love them, and I'm super excited to see how this subwoofer does. So it'll say right here, powerful subwoofer for your Echo, and it's 100 watts deep bass, and you can pair it right to your Echo or Echo Plus, which is awesome. And it seems pretty solid, simple setup. That's what we like to see. Yeah, let's try to get this thing open with one hand here. Ooh, we got it. Awesome. So here it is, opened up a little bit. Awesome. And so it looks like we got like a bag of some sort. Oh, it's in the bag. Okay. Is there anything else in the box? Looks like a few small things. So we got a bag for it here. That's very interesting. I'll put it on the floor here. So they put it in a bag. I wonder why they put it in a bag. Interesting. So I'm gonna have to put the camera aside while I try to get it open a little bit better. Okay. Gonna have to. We're struggling a little bit, but we're getting it open. Okay, awesome. So we just got it open. It is pretty heavy, I will say that. Not to the point where you can't hold it with one hand, but it is a little bit heavy, which is good. I mean, it is a subwoofer at the end of the day. Subwoofer. Am I saying that right? I don't know, man. I don't know if we're supposed to keep this bag. I guess you could for like carrying it. It's a decent bag. I won't be using it. But so here it is right here. This just looks super cool. Super excited to test this out. I mean, this seems awesome. Please set up your other Echo devices before setting up your sub. After setup, check out this startup guide. Okay. So it just looks like a completely, round thing. I'm guessing the cords have to be right here. I'm not really seeing any other place for them. But yeah, it seems pretty solid. What else do we have in here? All right, so just another, it's like a thingy right here. I'm guessing these are instructions. Yeah, okay, perfect. So I hate reading instructions, but we'll check them out real quick. So getting to know your sub. So here's the LED, so the light. The action button is as well right there, the power port. Okay. So we'll grab our cord right here, which I'm sure is kind of the last thing in the box. Yeah, it looks pretty empty. Can't imagine there's something under that. Hopefully not. So yeah, let's get this thing plugged in. So I switched to filming on my iPad. Hopefully the quality isn't too scuffed. So I have a little bit better setup here. And so here we have the Echo Dot and then the Echo subwoofer. So if we go over here, I went ahead and plugged it in. And so I actually got a notification on my phone right here saying that it's ready for setup. So we're gonna go ahead and do that now. All right, so finish Echo setup, perfect. Welcome to the Echo Sub, awesome. All right, so continue. Setup tips. So just some tips. Echo Sub must be. Echo Sub should be placed on the floor. Okay, so I did that wrong. It's right on my desk. Don't put it. Avoid placing speakers directly against walls or furniture. Okay. It says it should be placed on the floor. We're gonna just try it on my desk. I gotta make this fast because I'm not trying to get copyright, but here it is right here. I actually got it set up on the subwoofer. And I don't know if you guys can hear that, but that's the subwoofer right now, so I'll turn it up a little bit. So that's it right there. Nigga try to give me 5 miles while my eyelids ass down on my son on my dog. I had the Draco with me brain color. Lot of niggas out here playing they ball. So yeah, hopefully you guys were able to hear that, but that is the subwoofer right here. And overall, it's not gonna be the same, listening to it on a YouTube video, but overall, I think it's really good, and it just makes the audio sound so much better. it makes the floor shake a little bit, but not a lot. So that's what I like. I like a little floor shaking. You know, you can really feel the music. So this is definitely very cool. And if you're interested in this product, the link will be in the description.